Hello viewers, welcome to ECE Sradha Ocean. My name is Suresh Kumar. Recently, Government of NCT of Delhi released a notification through Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board. Application date starts from 28th January 2020 and it will end on 27th February. Total number of posts are 293 from 23 kinds of posts from various departments. Among them, three kinds are related to Diploma Electrical, Electronics and Communication students and BSc Electronics. Those are, first post code is 107 by 20. Name is Technical Assistant in Digital Electronics. Total number of posts are 3 based on the category. First one is Unreserved Category 1, OBC, that is Other Backward Caste 1, SC 1. Next one is post code is 111 by 20, that is Technical Assistant in Electrical. Total number of posts are 12 based on the category. First one is EWS, that means Economically Weaker Section, 1 post, UR 5, OBC 3, SC 2, ST 1. Next category 112 by 20 is the post code. Name of the post is Technical Assistant in Electronic and Communication. Total number of posts are 10 based on the category EWS 1, UR 4, OBC 3, SC 1, ST 1. All these posts are related to Department of Training and Technical Education. Comes to qualification. The essential qualification is number 1, matriculation or equivalent from recognized board. Number 2, diploma minimum of 2 years of regular duration in the relevant trade awarded by the State Board of Technical Education or recognized university or equivalent, or Bachelor of Science degree in relevant field or equivalent. Desirable are knowledge of computer application, and there is no need of experience. Comes to age limit, 18 to 27 years, but relaxation is given based on the category. For SC/ST 5 years, OBC 3, person with disability 10. If there is any combination like PWD plus SC/ST 15 years, PWD plus OBC 13 years. The important note here is these posts are identified suitable for acid attack victim, dwarfism, person with disability, especially PD, that means partial deaf, OL, that means one leg disability candidates as per requisition of user department. Exam fees is 100 rupees, but exempted for women, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, person with disability. Selection process contains 1 tier and 2 tier and skill test. After completion of 1 tier, based on the merit only, 2 tier and skill test will be conducted. The 1 tier exam, general and technical, contains 2 hours duration, 200 questions and 200 marks. There is negative marking for each wrong answer. 0.25 marks will be deducted. Comes to syllabus. Section A contains general awareness, general intelligence and reasoning ability, arithmetical and numerical ability, Hindi or English language and comprehension. Section B contains subject related questions. Tier 2 also contains same syllabus but higher level. For more details, please see the description. Thank you.